Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So have you ever baked a fluffy sponge cake? Today I'm going to help you because sponge cakes are the food of angels. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to make the fluffiest sponge cake ever. Okay, so the first thing first, you want to make sure you know how to measure. This is very important. Regardless of what recipe you're using, make sure you measure properly. It helps the result of your cake to be exactly what you want. So number 2, you need to make sure your ingredients are at room temperature. This is very important. I mean, the butter, the milk, the eggs you get. Okay. So number 3, you want to make sure you make a meringue. A meringue is when you separate your egg yolk from your egg white and mix your egg whites with sugar until it forms this really fluffy foam. Yes, that is what gives your sponge cake the bounce, the fluffiness, basically. Okay, so number 4, you want to make sure you don't overmix. Yes, after making a meringue and you're trying to combine your meringue with your cake batter, don't overmix. It is super important. Okay, so number 5, you want to make sure you bake your cake slowly. Make sure the heat is not too much and you are patient. Yes, that is very important in making the perfect sponge cake. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow me on Instagram as _kick me away and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please remember to give me a thumbs up.